Hello, this is Ollie Nanius, Professor of Mathematics at Bradley University, and we're going to go over how to load the statistical analysis package from Microsoft Excel into Microsoft Excel if it hasn't been already loaded. So let's go ahead and start, and I'm going to go to the share screen here. And this is a Microsoft thing right here. Now, the very first thing, I'll just go ahead and click this down here, is that we'd like to say we have some data, and this is just some fake data I came up with, and we'd like to analyze it, see, if we can run a regression, do some elementary averages, that sort of thing. So the very first thing you want to do is you want to see if you have the data analysis pack installed on the package installed on the Excel. So you go to data, and you hit that. Now you get these nice helpful things here. Now see right here, if you notice on this part right here, there's no data analysis pack. And the reason is that it hasn't been added to what's working here. So the way you do that, the way you add in these missing packs is you hit the file button right here. Now, this right here is a 2019 version of Excel. If you have a 2010 version at home, and this little column here looks a little different. What you want to do is you want to go up and down until you find options. Now I have some screenshots from my blog where I show you the 2010 one. So you go to options and you hit that. And now when you get to options, what you do is you look for add-ins. Click add-ins. And what you do is you'll see what you want to add in. And what I'd like to add in is I'd like to add the analysis tool pack, and I want to add this one VBA. So I'll just go ahead and do that. Click on it. Click on this. Click on this. And then see, you can just do one of these here. And I'll go ahead and add that. And sure enough, I'll click that, and I'll go ahead and click this one too. And if you want to add in the solver, you can, but I'll just do that here. So what we have is we have these two things clicked. Now you click OK. And then if you look right here, notice the data analysis pack is already, you see right here, the data analysis pack has been added. Now let's go ahead and use it to do a couple of really quick things. So you hit data analysis, and let's say we'd like to do descriptive statistics. So there's descriptive statistics. You click OK. You input your range, and you can do this a number of ways. I'm just going to input this Y here. So I'm doing that. And notice that's a column. Put labels in the first row to indicate that this does have a Y. You put OK. Now, the output, you can either output this some part in this sheet, or you can output this in a new worksheet. I'll go ahead and do that. But you can always click that too for an output range. Click OK. And choose the, I screwed that up, love. So let's see what I want. I want summary statistics. There we go. Maybe I want to find a confidence interval for the mean, so I'll do both of those. So I'll put OK. And now notice this is kind of squunched here, so what I'll do is I'll go to the home page, format, auto column width to sort of stretch it out a bit. Now this tells you what the mean is, the standard error, median, the mode is not applicable there, and that tells you what the confidence interval for the mean is. That's kind of 95% confidence interval. That's pretty wide. It's basically telling you it thinks that the average is somewhere between -4 and 4, which is well, not terribly enlightening, but that tells you that. Now let's go ahead and do some more data analysis here. And again, let's say we'd like to do a regression. So the Y range, I'm going to go ahead and do that. Click on that, and that tells you what the Y range is. Do this, click on that for the X range. And let's say I want to find the labels that tells you the labels are in the first row. So it doesn't try to do that. And let's just do an elementary thing here. So notice it does that. So I'm going to stretch this out without a column filling width. And now you have a nice little ANOVA table. You have your regression statistics. And it tells you the regression line is about 0.04 plus 2.01 times x, which is, reasonably, it's a reasonable thing for this little dinky data set. But anyway, that's a quick little way of how to add the data analysis pack to an Excel, and a couple of little things you can use with it. So you can do with it. So thanks for watching.